Today, I'm going to show you how to make Mexican flautas, also commonly referred to as rolled taquitos. That's next. I was born and raised in El Paso. The majority of my family still live in that area. You may have heard of the violence that recently occurred there. I'm saddened to hear of the hate that fueled these actions. I pray for their healing. This little recipe video was inspired by my experiences in El Paso. Going out to Mexican restaurants in the El Paso area, rolled taquitos, or as I know them, flautas, are a very popular dish. They are typically deep fried and made to order. Today I have a different way of living and fried food is out of the question, so I have this wonderful air fryer and made these. I've come to enjoy living with a low-fat diet and found these to be amazing. I hope you try it out for yourself. Now I do like my potato mixture to be a little spicy, which is why I added cayenne. That of course is optional if you can't handle spicy. But don't forget the nutritional yeast because that'll give it a really good cheesy flavor without adding dairy. If your tortilla is stiff, heat it up till it becomes soft enough to roll. I was able to make 24 flautas with this recipe. Keep an eye on your taquitos as they cook. It's easy to burn them, so be careful. I only needed 15 minutes in my Breville air fryer, and they came out real crispy. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share. I'll be back soon with another delicious recipe. Hasta luego!